Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because the project I'm going to bring to you all is one that I've been wanting to do for a while. I already have some of my pieces ready to go. I've painted them. These are just a couple boards that my husband had in the garage. So we cut them down to size. Not really sure what size, but I will measure them and put them in the description box. So then you will need one of these from Dollar Tree. He's already cut holes in here for me. And you're also going to need some, this is scrapbook paper. It's not really, this is just my preference. It's not your preference. You can use whatever kind you want. So what I'm going to do is put this on here. And I'm going to take this pen here and just kind of outline where it needs to be cut to make it fit in there. And then I'm just going to cut it out. Use my scissors to cut it out. You can use a box cutter if you've got one, just whatever you want to use, but I have scissors on hand, so I'm going to use scissors. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to fit this right in here. And you're going to use Mod Podge. I also painted my wood pieces with this gloss acrylic white paint from Upper Barrel. But you're going to use Mod Podge here. And I'm just going to paint some of this on. The more, you need to get enough on to make it stick, but the more that you get on the, sorry, that's my dog in the background. The more that you get on, it's going to make more bubbles. So just kind of, however much you want. Then you're going to press this out, get all your bubbles out of it. Make sure it's adhered good. And then you're going to take more Mod Podge and put on here. To help it stick better. Some people put a whole lot, some people don't. I just like it to be just enough to make it stick. So then you'll set that to the side. Make sure that you don't have any bubbles in this. Wrinkles don't bother me as bad as bubbles do. So I'm going to pause the video for a second until this dries, and then I will come back and show you the rest of the project. Okay, I'm back. Everything is dry. I have my holes started here. We've drilled some holes here, and I drilled some holes right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over to the back and measure it out here like this. And I'm going to start putting my screws in. And I'm going to screw this to the front of the board. Like this. So you'll have this here. Then I'm going to take this and screw find where my screw hole's going to be. I'm going to screw the back on. And same here, down at the bottom. Like this. This is what it looks like so far. So I want to put a bow on this. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to, just to dress it up a little bit, I'm going to make me a bow. Probably about 8 inches on this ribbon here. Of that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hot glue the 2 pieces together here. Like this. Then I'm going to take my bow and I'm going to kindly do just a little thing like this, right in the middle. It's kind of off center there, but you want to do it in the middle. I'm going to take a little piece of my jute. Actually, we want a piece for the hanging down here for the tail. So just cut off, let me see what I cut off there. I cut off about 6 inches. And just cut that off. And take your jute. You can take floral wire, but I don't have floral wire handy at the moment. I'm going to do it with my jute. And then just tie it off. Make sure it's centered. Tie it really tight. And cut your pieces. And then you've got a cute little bow. I'm gonna cut mine up this way. Another thing you want to do when you make your bows is take a lighter and just burn around the edges here, right here that keeps it from fraying. You can add a button, a little embellishment, something right there. Okay, I'm gonna go with this little button here. It's a little crystal looking thing. And you just want to add you some glue and put that right in the center. Like this. You could use a white button. This is just the first one that I really grabbed. Then when you got that done, just bring your thing back over to you, your stand, and you can hot glue this to that. Now this doesn't have to be done this way, it's optional. I just thought that I would like it. But anyway, there's the finished product, or project I should say. I didn't have any inspiration for this, I just kind of went on my own. So let me jump off here and I will come back and show y'all what it looks like with the tablet. Okay, now that I've got everything cleaned up, I just wanted y'all to see what this looked like. All you have to do is just set your tablet on there like this, and you can go through recipes. If you're doing a recipe, just set it on there. Maybe if you're sitting at the table doing a craft and you're watching a video following it, just set your tablet on there and follow along with it. So if y'all like this project and this video, just give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And share, comment. If there's something that you would like for me to recreate, just comment. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.